It is a very popular issue with the cooling pads on the MacBook Pro Retina A1398 since 2015 year. Hello everyone, привіт всім, and welcome back to very excited video blog. Perhaps this is some kind of defect by Apple at the release of this model. However, the radiator pads into which the screw is screwed come off. Before doing anything to the motherboard, don't forget to disconnect the battery. So these pads themselves are ground for the motherboard. Holding pad with tweezers and unscrew the screw. Next step, need to tin the pad, but you cannot do this unless you are not starting using soldering exit. Therefore, drip exit and apply solder. In the next step, set up and secure the pad to the platform and solder it. Necessary to be careful that there are no drops of solder left. Thoroughly clean the surface from exit and flux. Best way to say thank you to the author is to share this video with your friends. I will hope to see you next time.